Hi guys, welcome today. War day number 6501. 651 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday, December the 6th, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the Medium Sudoku and the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles, and those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Two Jigsaw Sudokus we have here, one with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle, and these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. In the evening, only 4 of them I will solve. And the first one, in the evening I will solve, yes. But in this afternoon I will solve these 2 regular puzzles. And this one will be number 7570. 7570. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 28 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Should be easier than the 1 star if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. In additional, the 4 stars Sudoku has 24. The 3 stars 25. The 2 stars 26. The 1 star puzzle has 27. So this one 28 should be a 0 stars puzzle. And for 0 stars puzzle you need to be faster than 14, maybe 13 minutes. We will see. Alright. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about? Yeah. Let me scan. We have a 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. We have a 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 5, 6, 8. 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing number in the last column is number 8. We have a 8 in this row, no 8 there. We have 8 also in this row, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in the last column should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this column for last column for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and 6, 5 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 9, 6, 4. Wow. 9, 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Okay. Alright, 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above. So that row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 in that column, no 2 there. The only place left for 2 should be there, and all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the second column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. Here's 7 in this row, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7, the only place left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7. 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. How about the number? 9. Need a 9 there. Need a 8 here. Need a 1 here. 1. Yeah. I'm thinking. 8. 8. Well, the 1 here, need a 1 there. Need a 1 here. 1 there. 1 here. Let me think. Need a 6 here. Need a 3 here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so it'll come next down. Need 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And need a 4 here. 4, 6. 4, 6 and the 8. 4, 8. We have all the 3s. 3. No, not all the 3s. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between. No, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the first column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column, so in the column between, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3 in the 1. 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this column. Third column, no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 4, 6, and 8. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8, 4, 6, 8. Then look, we have 6 and 8 in this row. So no 6 and 8 in this box. 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 4, 4, okay. 1 and 9. 2 missing numbers. Yeah, in this row, those missing numbers are the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8. The 9 is missing. 1 and 9, 1 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column, so the column between the middle column, no, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in this big square should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 9, right. Then 6, 8, need a 4 here. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. No, 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Here we have also 6 and 8. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 there. 7 here. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So third column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places left for the 7. Could be here, could be there. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Here 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 8, I believe. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here and a 4 goes there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yeah, 2. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next only place level 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7, so the 7 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing, the 2, 3 and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4 cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 box left in the first row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. Here also 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 4. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 4 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there, finish in 13 minutes. Wow, I've told you. Need to be faster than 14 or 30 minutes. We solve it again. Definitely a 0 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in a minute with the other regular puzzle, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.